Hi guys, here's my new power supply, maas Sierra Papa Sierra 30.2. It's a very stable power supply. It makes 32 ampere. Have a noise offset, so for QM it reduced a little bit the QM in the radio. It works very nice. The light is very nice, so it's a very stable power supply. It's a new one in my second QTH. So I tested 27555, but it's absolutely nothing there. Here on shortwave we listen some Arabic radio stations, very strong. That is all in the moment what I can ext here. Video after a long time, but propagation is very poor in the moment. See you soon. Here you listen the Arabic radio station.